Cristiano Ronaldo, CR7, the GOAT without a World Cup trophy. Last week he lost against Al Ahly, but tonight it's Al Nassr against Al Tawoun. Can he deliver this time? Can he silence the haters? Or will Messi fans spam Pinaldo saying he can only score free kicks? Watch till the end. If you support Al Tawoun, comment below. If you're backing Ronaldo and Al Nassr, hit like, share and follow the page now.
Puts them one up. He knew exactly what he wanted to do there and executed it perfectly.
Barrow is engaging in a bit of mind games before stepping up. Big character, big moment, big save. Al Nassr are putting real pressure on here if they put this away. And he's put them two in front. Al Tawoun can't afford to miss another one. Coolly into the bottom corner.
Well, he totally nailed that penalty, picked his spot, and didn't change.
This to double their advantage. Oh, what a save!
They're so focused there, fantastic save.
Martinez will take the third penalty.
I thought he did really well to hold his nerve down and score that penalty.
Mane is fourth up.
You need a very strong mind in those situations. Any penalty that goes in is a good one.
Fire is the fourth man to step forward for them.